Pulling up into our off-grid property, I always see these jugs right here. They're the water jugs that we use to fill up Bob. We're out here to watch a football game today, but it reminds me of when I ran into a drug ring on a backpacking trip with a bunch of kids. Here's the story. So I was backpack guiding a group of young kids, and when we come into a site, we would say, okay, this is where the boys go to the bathroom, girls go to the bathroom. So we went to scout out where the boys would go, and right along the river, there was this full-on like campment, and even like this like shelter, and it looked like somebody's arm was sticking out. We thought somebody was dead in there, but ultimately just became like a sleeping bag that raccoons or something pulled out. But there were a ton of these like jugs and like milk jugs all around, totally sketchy, weren't sure what it was. So we called in, talked to some rangers, and what they said is that people squat on the river right there, and then they have their weed area where they grow, and they haul the water up and water their weed every other day and camp out there. So the DNR took all our information and actually went back in there and cleaned all that out, went up and tried to find the weed. I don't know if they found it or not, what they did with it. But it was a pretty sketchy story, pretty interesting. Thought I'd share it with you.